Oh shit.
You like pickles?
I love pickles, dude.
Have a pickle, dog.
Oh shit, that's right. Look at the concept.
Oh, that's a good picture right there. Holy fuck, dude.
Look at this.
Like, seriously, that's good. Yeah,
Oh, yeah. Not like the whole thing, but. Oh, there's pipes right there. Yo, what the fuck?
The locals, man, they just made this all here. Fuck it. 9 out of 10, right?
This is the rock that's usually so freaking
Sorry.
slippery.
Oh, yeah, so you gotta
Oh,
be careful with these rocks.
holy shit.
I've never been here.
What the fuck?
You good?
Woo!
All good.
I'm sorry. Woo!
I think that was the other piece of the ladder.
Yeah, right there.
How'd you guys find it?
What's up, dude? Yeah, dude, what the fuck? Huh, dude? You can start to hear the water more. Oh.
Oh yeah, here's the waterfall that we've been trying to get to.
Oh shit, that's dope.
I'm just kidding. That's dope.
Here it is.
Yo. Really? Nah, fuck that. Oh. You good?
Yeah, these shoes are so slippery. Like my feet are sliding on the side of them. Oh god.
Yo, what the fuck?
This is the waterfall.
Yo. Go for it. Oh. Holy shit, buddy.
I'm freaking sweating.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh!
Oh, shit. There's still more we can hike up to. You can get to the very top of it. Wait, what?
Hey, dude. Yeah, no. So there's the rope. Brandon's gonna go up there. This is like undescribable. Like, you guys have to be here for this. Like you guys can go to this. It's in the middle of Girdwood, somewhere around here. And you'll see the trail, and I'll tell you guys, I'll show you the signs when we get out there. So this trail, it's called Chutes and Ladders. And basically, there's drop downs, ropes, and then ladders, because there's a ladder you have to climb down. And then this entire game, because the point of win the game is this big ass waterfall. And I think we won the game. So hell yeah.
Check it out, I kept going.
One by one, they're back.
All right, let's
Whoa,
skedaddle.
dude.
Is this cold? Is this cold?
Huh? Are you cold? No.
Is the water swallowed?
Alright guys, that is going to conclude it for yesterday's vlog, because I forgot to outro it yesterday. But that hike was sick. So basically what it is, because I know it was kind of like a choppy vlog. It was a first mini vlog. This place that we went to, it's there's no name for the waterfall. Like, looked on Snap Maps, looked on Google Maps, I had no service. I'm literally in the middle of nowhere. So how we got in there was, we went down this road, and I was kind of sleeping, so I kind of wasn't looking at the road, you know. But I woke up right as we got to the gate, and we pushed open this gate that wasn't, like, it was supposed to be locked, but it wasn't. Pushed it open, went down this gold mining trail, and like somewhere like I don't even know 1,000 feet up the road, we like stop off this little pull off and like walk like another 200 feet and then just walk straight down the edge of this cliff, which I didn't get on film. I got the first clip of the adventure is whenever we're yelling and stuff in those tall bushes.
Hey there.
No for bears.
Oh shit, that's right. Had a great time, met some new people. Sorry, there's a mosquito on my phone. Had a great time, met some new people, new experience, never done that before, and I've always played the game Chutes and Ladders as a kid, but to be able to do that in person and play Chutes and Ladders like physically, and it was just something else. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, leave a thumbs up. If not, I don't care, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.